So I'm going to fold this gele into a very, very small part and piece of it. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to have a very, very clean start. So we'll be doing the pleated gele today. This is a full 100%. This is 70 and this is 30. So the short flap is where we're going to turn to the other side where we're going to start our gele. And when you're tying gele, you're not going to work alone because the model has to work as well. When you're tying gele, you need 3 things. You need the toothbrush if you have any, or you can use your hair gel or edge control, and then you need safety pins as well just to hold and lock up the gele from the back. So now I'm just going to put this part down to our hair. Okay. And then this is the short flap and this is the long one. So the short flap comes all the way to the back.
This one doesn't tell me whether it's recording or not. So,
okay, so now you're going to tell your model to hold this part of the gele. So what we'll be doing with this short flap is taking it round and starting our pleating. And when you're tying gele, you don't start at the back. You have to stand either at the side or in front. And then we'll just start like this. All the way to the side. So whatever pleat you take from here, it has to go all the way to the end. And then just keep going. But always take your time because tying gele has to do with patience. If you don't have patience, it's not going to be easy for you to tie gele.
that's why it's not easy for me. I don't have patience for gele.
You're just serious. Okay, for the purpose of this video, we'll be doing just 5 pleating. So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to do one more. Maybe we should do one more extra.
Maybe I should put subtitles, but I'm not sure you are.
You can
But she looks so pretty. Yoruba bride. Are you Yoruba?
Yes. So when you get to this part of the gele, you then tell. Oh my god, the bum.
You're not sure, don't worry.
You then tell your model to leave it, and then you take the long flap. So hold it down.
Okay. See what? Explain.
Okay, so now you're going to pull it and make sure it's firm, because the long flap is what's going to hold down the short flap. So you bring it all the way up. You have to be very sure it's firm.
I can't see you.
Then now you want to be taking your flap from the left to the right. For this, you can actually do as many pleats as you want. So, just going to continue as I'm doing. Okay, you have to be very careful and have lots and lots of patience. And then if you start with a big flap, don't then go smaller. If you start with a big flap, you finish with big flaps. But if you start with small ones, make sure they are very, very equal because you don't want your plate to scatter. So now you're going to count down all the pleats that you made. 1, 2, 3. And in this process, when you're counting out the pleats, make sure you don't make new pleats out of it because you're just going to disfigure it. Okay, so now you're going to tell your model to hold it down here. Hold it down, like press it. So you're going to come to this side to rearrange what you've done. And as you can see, the fabric that we have here is too much. So we're going to use our safety pin to hold it to the back. So now we're about to give gele some height. No, just giving it a little bit. So by giving it a bit, you're holding it firmly, because if you don't hold it down, you're going to lose all your placement.
I think I've been lost since. I'm just trying to move the camera to where you are.
Come tip into this so you can see from back. So now I'm just going to pick all the plates and can you hold this please? Down. Okay, here, down. No, not everything, like. I'm just going to pick all the plates that we made. So you're going to ask your model to hold a second here. Hold everything down. And then this flap, we're just going to turn it round. Now I'm tying it at the back. And then just manage it. I hope it doesn't hurt your hair. So now you're going to rearrange all your plates. If you're not on one, I can put it on here.
Happy birthday, yes. Sorry, Joe.